Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charger is a dedicated float charger sized for your battery voltage, 12V or 24V. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection and keep the area ventilated to avoid gas buildup. Now, with the charger switched off, connect the positive clamp to the battery positive terminal first, then attach the negative clamp to the battery negative terminal. This reduces spark risk. Make sure clamps are tight and contacts clean. You're ready to power the charger on next. You now set the charger to float mode and input the correct float voltage. For instance, 13.6 volts for a 12V lead-acid battery, because float voltage prevents overcharge while maintaining charge. Next, program the current limit to approximately 1/10 of battery capacity, or follow manufacturer guidance to avoid overheating. Once programmed, start the charger and watch the voltage climb. Monitor battery temperature and clamp tightness for 10 to 30 minutes. If temperature increases rapidly, reduce current. You finish by verifying the charger reads a stable float voltage and only a small maintenance current, indicating the battery is held at full charge. When done, switch the charger off before disconnecting clamps, remove the negative clamp first, then the positive, and stow equipment safely. If the charger won't reach float or shows error lights, check for loose or corroded connections, a blown fuse, or a sulfated or failing battery. Try another float-capable charger to isolate faults. If problems persist, consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.